Hello friends, imagine you're driving smoothly and suddenly your engine loses power or stalls out of nowhere. You check the obd2 scanner, and it shows code P0215 engine shutoff solenoid malfunction. What does this mean and how can you fix it? Let's break it down. Diagnostic trouble code P0215 means the engine control module, or ECM, has detected an issue with the engine shutoff solenoid circuit. This component controls fuel flow and ignition shutdown when you turn off the engine. If it fails, you might experience things like engine stalling or failing to start, poor fuel economy, and also that check engine light or warning messages popping up. If ignored, it can cause some serious drivability issues and even leave you stranded. So, the exact location really depends on your engine type. For diesel engines, the engine shutoff solenoid is usually mounted right on the fuel injection pump, or sometimes you'll find it near the fuel rail. Now, if you have a gasoline engine, it may be located near the throttle body, or even integrated with the fuel system relay. To track it down, just follow the fuel lines from the pump towards the engine. That's usually the best way to spot it. Alright, let's talk about some of the most common reasons you might see a P0215 code. First up, a failed engine shutoff solenoid. A damaged solenoid might not allow fuel shutoff or restart, which can definitely cause trouble. Next, you could be dealing with a blown fuse or wiring issues. Corroded, broken, or shorted wires can disrupt solenoid operation, making things a bit unpredictable. Another possibility is a faulty ECM or PCM. If the control module is sending incorrect signals, the solenoid may fail to do its job. And finally, low or irregular fuel pressure. If the solenoid isn't getting proper fuel pressure, it just may not function correctly. So if you want to fix that P0215 code, here's a step-by-step approach. First, locate the engine shutoff solenoid and inspect the wiring and connectors for any damage. If you spot issues, go ahead and repair them as needed. Next, check the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the fuel system or solenoid circuit. After that, test the solenoid using a multimeter. It should show a resistance reading within the manufacturer's specs. If it's faulty, replace it. Then, measure voltage at the solenoid connector while cranking the engine. If there's no power, the issue may be with the ECM or wiring. And if none of these steps solve the problem, consider checking fuel pressure to rule out pump-related problems. Ignoring a P0215 code can actually cause random stalling, poor performance, or even failure to restart. Fixing it early really ensures a smooth and reliable drive. And hey, if you're unsure at any point, it's always a good idea to visit a professional mechanic. So, want to learn more about obd2 error codes? Check out these next videos. P0149, which covers fuel timing error, and P0150. All about oxygen sensor circuit malfunction on bank 2, sensor 1. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.